Discontinuity is a graph that has points in it and it can't be drawn without picking the pencil up. And there are four types of discontinuity: jump, removable, infinite, and mixed, and endpoint.
An example may be that the function is undefined at x equals a.
In this case of the removable example, we have a piecewise function which is a parabola if x is less than 2 and a constant 4 if x is greater than 2. It can be redefined to be continuous.
An example would be,
in this function at x equals 1, we have two given pieces with different values. We can observe that the graph of this function takes a jump from one point to another, which makes this function discontinuous.
1 and minus 1. 1 goes to the right, 1 goes to the left.
In this type of discontinuity, we have uh, infinite with different directions, one with asymptote at 1 and one with the asymptote at 0.
At 1, and it goes like this and like this. Limit x approaches to 0 from square root of x. So the graph would be in the point at the origin like this, and it approaches from just one side. So that's why it is a discontinuity, because it doesn't approach from both sides. Another example of an endpoint is that there is a vertical asymptote at 1, a included in 5, and it approaches from the right. An example would be that the function is discontinuous at x equals 3. Why? Because the vertical asymptote is at 3 and there's a hole at 2. That is a removable discontinuity. However, there is another graph which is an infinite discontinuity, which goes like this. Is that there is a vertical asymptote at 1, an infinite function just like this, and included at 1, 1, and like